Here are 5 amazing uses of chia seeds for skin DIY face mask. Create a hydrating and nourishing face mask by combining chia seeds with ingredients like honey, yogurt, or mashed avocado. Mix the ingredients to form a paste and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off. The chia seeds' moisturizing properties and antioxidants can help promote healthier and more radiant skin. Exfoliating scrub. Make an exfoliating scrub by mixing chia seeds with a gentle facial cleanser or natural oils like coconut or jojoba oil. Gently massage the mixture onto your face in circular motions to remove dead skin cells and reveal a smoother complexion. The chia seeds' texture will help exfoliate while providing nourishment to your skin. Anti-aging serum. Create a DIY anti-aging serum by infusing chia seeds in a carrier oil such as rosehip or argan oil. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with half a cup of the carrier oil in a jar and let it sit for a few days to allow the chia seeds to release their nutrients into the oil. Strain the mixture and apply a few drops of the serum to your face and neck. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in chia seeds can help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Hydrating face mist. Make a refreshing and hydrating face mist by soaking chia seeds in water or aloe vera juice. Allow the chia seeds to swell and form a gel-like consistency. Strain the liquid and transfer it to a spray bottle. Use it as a facial mist throughout the day to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. The chia gel will help lock in moisture and provide a cooling effect. Acne treatment. Chia seeds' anti-inflammatory properties and ability to regulate sebum production can make them beneficial for acne-prone skin. You can mix chia seed gel with a few drops of tea tree oil or lavender oil to create a spot treatment for acne. Apply a small amount to affected areas and leave it on overnight. Rinse off in the morning. The combination of chia seeds and essential oils can help soothe inflammation and reduce the appearance of breakouts. Remember to perform a patch test before using any new product on your skin and discontinue use if you experience any adverse reactions. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.